Hello friends, welcome to accounting school. Today what happened, एक client ऑफिस में आए थे and he wanted to know about the house property. तो हमारे जो dialogues थे I have done the recording. I hope आपको house property का concept थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello sir, what brings you here today?
I wanted to know what exactly is a house property.
Sure. According to Income Tax Act, a house property can be your home or office, a shop, a building, or even a land which is used as a parking lot. The Income Tax Act does not differentiate between commercial and residential property. There are three types of properties. एक self-occupied property, let-out property, and deemed let-out property. Self-occupied house property is used for one's own residential purposes. When a taxpayer owns more than two house properties, the law mandates that only two such properties can be treated as self-occupied, while the third one, irrespective of whether let out or not, will be known as a deemed let-out property, deemed to be let out. A house property which is rented for whole or a part of the year is considered a let-out house property.
I understood what house property is, but how do you calculate income from house property?
First, you will need the gross annual value, which is the rent in case of let-out property. The gross annual value of self-occupied property is always net. If you have paid property tax, then you can deduct it from the gross annual value, after which you get the net annual value. From this NAV, you can deduct 30% of the NAV. No other expenses can be claimed as deductions beyond the 30% cap.
Are there any other things which can be claimed as deductions?
You can also deduct your home loan interest, which you have paid from the NAV after deducting 30%.
Wow, thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Hope you all have enjoyed this house property concept. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी इसमें क्वेरी है तो आप मुझे लिख सकते हो या चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, तो ऐसे और अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.